Hi, it's Adrienne Oliver with Remax Universal and the Oliver team. Just wanted to talk to you about 5 low-cost ways to get your home ready to sell. We are coming out of COVID. This year, I was talking to my staff, is probably the most normal historic year we've seen since the beginning of COVID. So we are in the middle of big time selling season. That being said, I'm selling everything fairly quickly. So I don't need a lot of items that are expensive done by my sellers. So I came up with this list of 5 different things that you could do that are economical in order for you to get your home ready. So staging your home is a great way to emphasize your home best features, but before staging, you need to do these 5 things first. Number 1, go beyond dusting. So many homeowners pay attention to the cabinets and the walls and the closets and the floors, but it's essential to do a deep clean. For instance, washing your windows. This lets natural light in your home. Number 2, freshen paint. Over time, the paint starts to look dingy. A fresh coat of paint will lighten and brighten your home and will make it appear more spacious and the ceiling actually higher. Repair or replace. Noticeable flaws in the house take time to repair. Also, the buyers will notice them. For instance, sticking doors, leaky faucets, damaged baseboards, all of those things. You can switch out your covers on your switch plates for your electrical. You can also update your cabinet handles. Those are some things that are easy. Don't overwhelm the senses. I cannot emphasize this one enough. There has been all kinds of houses that I've walked into with these very strong, sometimes they're very pleasant, but they're also strong odors. So you don't do that. Don't go overboard with cookie smells or anything like that. So try to make your house nice and neutral smelling. Spruce up the yard is the 5th one. Since curb appeal is the first impression, don't underestimate the power of a freshly trimmed lawn, pruned bushes, and go the extra mile to rake up the leaves, take out the weeds, and maybe add a splash of color by planting some flowers. This is Adrienne Oliver with the Oliver team at Remax Universal. Don't let expensive tasks hold you back from selling. These are simple and easy tricks. We would love to help you and your family buy, sell, lease, or become a landlord, an investor. My cell phone is the best number to reach me. That cell phone number is 832-217-7141. Thank you and make it a great day.